Ready for some more carrots? Ah. Hey. Just because the phone's out doesn't mean you can misbehave. No. Hey.
Dada.
Yeah, Dada likes carrots. Right, Dada? Yep, he's gonna eat lots and lots of carrots. Just like you. Ah, no, David. Hey, I know. I don't know what you're saying. Hey! What? I can be loud too. Da, 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 da. No. Okay, you feed yourself some carrots then. I can't understand you when you're talking with your mouth full. Gimme, 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 gimme. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You swallow that. Swallow it. You're making such a mess. What are you doing? Thank you. Hey, you keep that in your mouth, don't you spit it out. Thank you. Hey, how about this? Rawr. David, rawr. Why do you want the spoon all of a sudden? Is it because I have the video on? David. Don't you want some more yummy carrots? Don't you want some more? You swallowing them now? Good job, baby. Stop biting on the spoon though. Hey. Swallow it. Thank you. They're yummy. You love them. They're delicious. Only when you have carrots do you ever get this messy. What? Oops. I accidentally dropped some on you, David. I'm sorry. Come on, you only have like 40 spoonfuls left. David, come on. Thank you. Thank you. David. David. You swallowed that. That was a big spoonful. Hey, hey. You can have it on your arm. Straight in the bath you're going. What are you doing? What was that? Yummy carrots. David. It doesn't taste any different than the last 10 I gave you. Oh, take the spoon. Oh. Da, 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 da. Yeah, Dada's gonna feed you carrots next time. You think that's a big carrot? Hmm? Don't you throw it. Good job, buddy.